Faith showing Gabe that he doesn't know what to do. No, seriously, don't watch. Just close your eyes. Close them.
Don't kick me.
Close your eyes. Close them. You can still see. Put your hand up higher. Gabe has no reflexes. That's his problem is. Okay, get up. I need to do this. I need to show you how it's done. These are what you call reflexes. The reflexes of a cat. Wait, what do you do? How do you do it?
This looks wrong.
You didn't even hit me right. It's supposed to be down here. You hit me up here. That hurt.
Don't look.
That didn't hurt, dude. You hit right here. Right here. Do it.
Alright, let's try it, right?
Ow! That hurt.
Ray, you do it.
You're not even hitting my knee.
He doesn't hit the right spot. That's why.
Okay, ready?
See?
Did it do it? I'm not doing it.
Alright, guys, stop messing around. Let's get with it. I'm the only one that ever does anything here.
Can I please light a candle for us?
You guys never do nothing.
What, Gabe? I just love waking up in the
Oh my god. Seriously, I can't stop.
Oh shit! A fire! What the fuck? Dude, there's really a fire.
What the fuck are you doing? Turn this shit off.
I don't know why I was on. Look! The fire alarm's gonna go off, dude. What the fuck?
Turn it off!
Turn it off, Gabe. I don't know how to turn it off. I'm about to pee my
Are they off?
Fuck.
That one's not off.
You see?
Is
Is it gonna come back?
We almost.
There's a real fire right now.
How'd that even happen? Oh my gosh. Let's get this paper towel. Gabe burnt the paper towel. I'm gonna go get Faith in the bathroom.
Can we turn it off, please? I want to see this video.